I want the top. All my people right there in the back of the spot. I need the top.
Right here we are going through the muddy section. That was me going through, doing a little bit of a drip, and this is my brother going through, going in for the deep shot. You know what I'm talking about. This is the right side muddy. We call it the hell run. Sorry, I didn't finish it for you. This is called the hell run. This gets really annoying because you get stuck all the time. It's really deep mud. Let's all just take a second to remember that amazing roost.
Headshot.
Fuck. Alright, we're good. Didn't touch my air filter. That was close. And here we go. First contender to go to try to get out of the mud. Which I'm basically already out, but just like to make it exciting. Sorry. Now here's my brother struggling to get out of the mud. Here. Let's give him a gift and give him some very encouraging music. Now let's get some encouraging dubstep into the situation.
I want the top. All my people right there in the back of the spot. I need the top. If you know me, you don't know me to stop. I need the top. All my people there in the back of the spot. Let them be shot.
Alright, so now that we got that out of our system, let's do some good dirt biking, you know? So now we are crossing the road to get to the pits, and I think we will go to the field in a second once we cross. Right? Waving to a sick truck, you know? Just kidding, we're just waving to the people. Yes, we are now in the field. Let's make this a little bit more exciting. You guys know that this water is very wet. Going through, and he roosted me again! Look what he did. Are you kidding me? And he's still roosting me, and he's still roosting me. Oh, let's do another roost replay. Double R!
Headshot.
You know, I never noticed. He never seems to miss the camera every time. He hits the camera every single time. Now we're doing some speed tests. You're fat. Oh my god, there's no dubstep playing. What the hell? Yay, dubstep! Wait, why were we paused here? Oh my god, he just did a jump. Holy shit. That was fucking awesome. I'm sorry for the foul language. I'm gonna have to bleep that out later. Here we go, we're going over to the ass. Sorry, wait. Right there. Oh, okay. I'll let you narrate the video. Here you go, narrate it. I'd like to take a moment and stop here. It's all fun and games until something bad happens. So I'll let you guess on what happens, and I'll let you see what happens next. Enjoy.
I'm ready to die. Over here.
What? Yes, I got a bloody nose and my exhaust fell off. What worse could happen? Let's all take a moment and realize how awesome that sounds. And now we are back at the car, and it took about 2 minutes, and a cop came. And that 2 minutes. So, wow, that was fun. And now there's a bee in the car.
Oh shit.
Hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time. Never forget this moment.
Listen once to me. Always